In this video, I'm going to show you how you can fix Microsoft Word not opening or starting on Windows 10. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe to this channel. Alright, so if you have been trying to open Microsoft Word on your computer or laptop, but you go start because it is no longer opening, then just follow these steps. Now, in the first place, go ahead and click on this start menu, and then here type service. And you should see services, so just type services and click on services here. From this, scroll down until you get to this section with this option, print spooler. Now go ahead and click on it. Then, as you can see currently, print spooler is running. If you right click on it, choose properties, and then under properties, go ahead and click under startup type. Go ahead and click on this and then change this to manual. Now, if you go ahead and apply this and then press OK, go ahead and restart your computer, and this should solve your problem. However, you have to remember that in most cases, should you encounter any glitch with Microsoft Word, the first thing you need to do is to go ahead and restart or reboot your computer, and this should fix your problem. However, if that didn't solve your problem, then follow this long step. Fix this problem once and for all. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.